This lesson is called Harvesting and Cleaning Seeds. In our previous lesson, The Origin of Seeds, our students learned that seeds can be found in cobs, fruit, flower, and pods. We reviewed these concepts in this present lesson, and we let our students explore cobs and fruits in the classroom. Miss Patty and Miss Denise invited us over to their back patio to explore more about the flowers they had planted. We took our magnifiers with us, and the children took time to explore the different flowers that they had. Some were fresh and some were dry. Miss Denise and Miss Patty explained to us how to find seeds in chamomile flowers and in Jamaica flowers.
Here, in the chamomile, everything that you see in this yellow part are seeds. So you can take it, and you can see the little seeds, and you can spread them.
So it takes you the little, and all the little seeds are gonna go in the dirt again, and another plant's gonna be born. They're seeds.
Is that a seed?
Sí, lo que están amarillos.
Miss Pat and Miss Denise allowed us to collect some of the dry flowers that the students found. Our students carefully cut with their scissors and collected the flowers in the basket that we had brought with us. Miss Denise invited us to see a bin where they had collected dry flowers over the season. But probably our favorite activity was spreading chamomile seeds all over the soil. Not before enjoying their wonderful scent first. Finding pods in our playground was also an exciting activity. Of course, our students found lots and lots of pods in our beloved milkweed.
There is a pod. Very good. Those are pods. Very good.
So pods are like caparazones, exactly. When thinking of helping my students find pods, I automatically thought of milkweed. But it was a real surprise to me when I saw Diego and Mateo looking for pods that had fallen from the tepehuaje tree. Finding seeds in pods and flowers was a lot of fun. That was the first part in our lesson. Now, part 2 is to clean and save the seeds. For this task, we had 3 wonderful mothers helping us in our classroom. Children teamed up with these mothers, and together they cleaned and saved the seed from the tepehuaje and milkweed pods. We're planning in the near future to pack these seeds into tiny envelopes that we can give away to our community members and therefore be community contributors.